Balancing chemical equation can be a Herculean task to many students. So in this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to balance a chemical equation. So instead of assuming number of moles here, like trying to find out the number of moles that can balance this equation, I will show you the easiest way to balance this chemical equation. So instead of using trial and error method to balance this chemical equation, write this instead. So write here A, B, C, and D. So we are going to find the values of this A, B, C, and D. So because these are the position of the number of moles that can balance this chemical equation. So algebraically, we are going to calculate the number of atoms of each element that make up these compounds and also this oxygen that is standing alone. So for nitrogen, we write nitrogen. Now the total atom of nitrogen in this reactant is A, because here is one atom, so 1 times A is A. Then we are done with the reactants. Then we write equal to, now the product side, the nitrogen here is 2 times D, alright, so which is equals to 2D. So we do same for hydrogen. So for hydrogen, we have three atoms of hydrogen here, and the mole is A. So 3 times A, we have 3 times A. Then there's no other hydrogen here, so we write equal to. Now for the product size, we have 2 atoms of hydrogen here, and then the number of mole is C, so we write 2 times C. So this is 2 times C. Now for oxygen, for the reactant side, we have 2 times B, so this is 2B equal to. Now for the product side, oxygen here is 1, then times C, which is equals to C. So we are done creating the equations for this chemical reaction. So the next thing we're going to do is to pick one of these variables and assume it to be 1. Alright, so in this case, we are going to pick D to be 1. So if we assume D to be 1, then A will be equals to 2 times D, and D is 1, so 2 times 1 is equals to 2. Then our C, since we have gotten A to be 2, we are going to substitute A to be 2 here, and then solve for the value of C. So we write 3 times A is 2, so 3 times 2 equals to 2C. Alright, 3 times 2 is 6, equals to 2C. So we divide both sides by 2, divide both sides by 2. So this and this will cancel. C divided by 2 is equals to 3. So we have that C is equals to 3. Now, for this D, okay, D is 1 already, so we have gotten D, A, and then C. So next thing we're going to do is to find the value of B. So since we have gotten the value of C as 3, let's replace C as 3 in this equation. So you have 2B is equals to our C is 3. So let's divide both sides by 2. Divide both sides by 2. So this and this will cancel. Then B is equals to 3 over 2. So let's write out what we have. So we have that A from here is equals to 2. Then B is equals to, this is 3 over 2. Then C is equals to, this is 3. And then D is equals to 1. Alright, so we're going to replace A, B, C, and D with these values we have here. So let me write it. A here is 2. So we have 2 moles of ammonia gas, then plus our B is 3 over 2, plus 3 over 2 moles of oxygen gas, then which will give us, then C is 3 moles of gaseous water. So and then plus the D is 1, so 1 mole of nitrogen gas. So but as we all know that we can't have a fraction here, so in a balanced chemical equation we don't have a fraction as a mole, so we are going to multiply all the moles here by 2, because 3 over 2 multiplied by 2, these 2 and these 2 will cancel, we'll be left with whole number. So to convert this fraction to whole number, we're going to multiply everything here by 2. Alright, so 2 times 2 will give us 4 moles of ammonia gas, then plus 3 over 2 times 2 will give us 3 moles of oxygen gas, then which will give us, then 2 times 3 is 6 moles of gaseous water, and then plus 2 times 1 is 2 moles of, then plus 2 times 1 is 2 moles of nitrogen gas. Now, if you check this chemical equation, you see that they are balanced. For example, here we have 4 moles of nitrogen at the reactant side. Then at the product side, we have 2 times 2, which is 4 moles of nitrogen gas. So here, for hydrogen, we have 3 times 4, 12 atoms of hydrogen, or 12 moles of hydrogen. Then for this product side, we have 2 times 6, also 12 atoms of hydrogen gas. So for oxygen, we have 2 times 3, 6. And then for here, we have 6 times 1 equals to 6. So as you can see, this chemical equation is non-balanced. This is the easiest way to balance a chemical equation, regardless of the equation you are balancing. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on the post notification bell so that each time I post a new video, you'll be the first to watch it. Also remember to share with your friends.